sorry, so let me go back to this card. So you started, I've opened the app, you go to videos, you choose the videos you want, which is this, you make select. Now you go to, you look for a background. So when you look for a background, which is like this, you choose the background that you want. So let's say you want to use white and want to write something at the top, so you pinch it in further so that we have enough space at the top. So now that so let's see, have you seen that is playing? So we've done that now. So because we want to write something on top, you do that. So the next thing you want to do is you want to look for text. So the text you want to put on top, let's say focus let's say focus on yourself. Oh, I made a mistake. Focus self. So you do like this and you drag it to the top, and so you shift it because this is the icon for the text at the top. Anywhere you pull it to, if I remove it now, it will not show. So but if I let it start from beginning now and I want it to show throughout the video, I just need to pull it to the end of the video. But if I don't want it to show at the end, I can just like don't do it to that. So like that is there on it like that. So you want to, the next thing you want to do is maybe you have you want to copy it twice. Let's say this is stretching, as you can see, and you want to just make it small. When you click on copy, so you have to stops on it, as you can see, two like that. So you can drag the first one to the top depending on what you want to write. Let's say focus on yourself, and you want to make this one a little bit bigger than the one down. So and the one down, you want it to be focus on yourself. No stress. So if you want it to enter the next line, you just click on enter, no stress, as you can see, like that. So let's say no stress today. And you want to change the color as well. Choose this color, let's use color red. So always remember to use the pass mark on it. Focus on yourself, because we not use the pass mark, which is this correct mark there. Focus on yourself today. So you use this one. So like that, you see that it is there now, but I still want to edit this. So I want to like today. So you made a mistake, put it enter. I want to change the color to color red. Choose the correct one, as you can see. So you can just like adjust it accordingly. So let's say so you can do something like this depending on how you want to do it. So just do that. This other one too, you want to like reduce it, you can just easily do that as well. So let's say now after you've done all this now, you see that it's there. You now want to put another sticker. Just come here, look for sticker you want. Let's say these are fire sticker now. So the fire sticker now. So we want it to start from beginning, just like the rest. We want it to be in the middle. So you just need to drag it where you want it to be. So that's how to go about it. And so when I decide to play it now, So let's go to starter. As you can see now, you see, so that's the way to use it. Thank you very much.